Hello my foodies, welcome back to another episode of Clarissa's Kitchen. Today we're celebrating our upcoming Valentine's Day or Galentine's Day special, hence the pink dress, and we are making a very simple gluten-free, vegan, no-bake strawberry cheesecake. I love how simple this recipe is, especially the fact that you can throw them in the freezer, and a lot of these ingredients can be found in the pantry and could be easily swapped out for other ingredients that you may not have. So really easy recipe. And if you haven't checked out my other social media channels, you can find me at Clarissa's Kitchen on Instagram and TikTok, where I post recipes on the daily. You can also subscribe right down below to help my channel, give this video a thumbs up, and turn on those notification bells because I post videos almost every single week and I wouldn't want you to miss out. So enjoy the sounds of cooking and music in the background. And without further ado, let's begin the recipe. And there you have it, my foodies. That is our gluten-free, vegan, no-bake, healthy strawberry cheesecake that you can easily make this at home. So why don't you whip this up, grab those ingredients, and share it with a special someone for the upcoming Valentine's Day / Galentine's Day. Make sure that you also hit subscribe right down below, turn on those notification bells, and give this video a thumbs up as it really helps support my channel. And I will see you guys next time in Clarissa's Kitchen. Bye!